Today we're making the best fruit and crumble yeast cake. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. As always, new viewers, please subscribe to my channel. In a bowl, add flour, warm milk, a pinch of salt, sugar, eggs, yolks, and the risen yeast mixture. I made the mixture with 45g fresh yeast, a spoon each of flour and sugar, and 1/3 cup lukewarm milk. Let it rise for 10 minutes before adding to the dough. Mix everything with a stand mixer. The dough will be sticky, which is the right consistency. Finally, add melted and cooled butter, mixing briefly to combine. I'll show you soon what the dough should look like after mixing. It's sticky and you couldn't shape it by hand. Leave it to rise for about it'll brown nicely. Once done, dust with sugar or add frosting. It's delicious. Enjoy!